Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we'll be going over customer signatures and how to add this functionality to your workshop. First, sign into MechanicDesk, navigate to the Jobs tab and open the job you want the customer to sign. On the job card, you will see customer signature, free trial available at an additional cost. Please contact MechanicDesk support if you want to add the customer signature feature to your workshop. To sign a job card, please click on Sign Now. You will see the job details and the option for the customer to sign the document. The customer can then sign the document in the designated area, then put in their email address to receive the signed document. Then click Done to finish the process. If you go back to that job card, you will see the time and date the customer signed the document. You can also click Signed Document to view the signature. The signed documents here cannot be deleted. If there are modifications to the job card that you need the customer to sign again, you can go through the same process. A job may have multiple signed documents. The documents are kept as track records, so you cannot delete a signed document on the job card. You can also have the customer sign on any invoice as a proof of parts or service delivered. To have the customer sign on an invoice, please open the invoice details here. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Sign Now, and follow a similar process to capture the customer's signature on the invoice. Thank you for watching this MechanicDesk help video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.